Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will be sewing this outfit. I posted the video for the cotton already, so this is the continuation. We'll be sewing the outfit. Let's get started. So the first thing I did was I added stitch to the neck of the outfit, both the front and the back. Then I mark my half inches at the neck side. I had to roll it like that so that it's going to come out well. So the next thing I did was I pin it down and I sew it. I sew it with an hemming gum so that when we turn it and we iron it, it's going to lay well. So hemming gum is my secret to necks like this. It helps it relax well. So after that, I notch it and top stitch it. So the next thing I did was to remove the front dart, the both darts. Then I moved to the back. So I stitched the back neck with half inches as well. I added a stitch also to the back neck, but I did not sew the back neck with hemming gum because it's not necessary. So I stitched that with half inches. I notch it and I top stitch it. Next, I removed the back dart, but the both sides. The next thing I did was I picked the skirt part, the back part. I removed that as well and joined the zipper allowance, leaving the zip opening at the upper part with 1 inches. And I moved to the front. I joined the front allowance, leaving the slits at the lower part. I ironed everything well and I weaved the part that need to be weaved. So the next we're going to do now is we're going to join the upper part and the skirt parts together. So for us to do that, we're going to get the middle of the front body. Since the skirt part already has joining for the slit, so we already know the middle. So for the upper body, we're going to get the middle. We're going to just notch it like that. After notching it, we're going to use pin to hold it together. Mark our half inches for joining it. Just use pin to hold it together like this. Mark the half inches for joining it. And for the back side, we're going to hold it together with the darts. Make sure the upper dart is aligning with the lower dart. Just hold it like that and use pin to hold it just like that. Then join it with the half inches. The half inches we added to it as allowance while cutting. So we are sewing that out now. Do the same for the other side and the front part as well. The next thing to do now is to join the shoulder. So to join the shoulder, make sure the front shoulder joining and the back shoulder joining is aligning well. Pin it down and sew your half inches out just like that. So I've ironed the shoulder very well. So the next thing to fix now is the zipper, is the zip. So now let's join the zip. After joining, I ironed that out as well. So the next thing to do now is to join the sleeve. Join the sleeve with half inches. Do it for both sides and iron it. So the next thing we have to do now is to remove our body measurement. So lay it down after pinning it and mark your body measurement and stitch it out just like that. So our cloth is coming together. The next thing to do is to move to the lower part of the outfit, which we have double pleats. One is gathers and one is kissing pleat. So the first thing I did was I hemmed the down part of both pleats and then I gathered the shorter one just like that, and I used 3x3 to do the kissing pleating for the longer one. So I did the kissing pleat. I sewed the kissing pleating just like that and I iron it. I give it a proper ironing. At the upper part of this longer pleats, I cut 1 inches at the upper part just to make it shorter. Then I hem the edges, the place that is joining, the place that is going to be attached to the slit at the front side. So I joined both sides just like that. You need to confirm the measurement from the body you already have so that the measurement will be accurate. After that, I joined the front part of the gathers as well. Then I stitch it on it. I only joined one part of it. I did not join the other part so that I can sew it on it, and then at the end I will join. So I have to stop in between here to join the edges at the other end so that it will be accurate because it was longer. So I join it there. After joining it, I continue my stitching on it. I stitch the gathers on the casing plate, just like that. Next, I join the, all you have to do now is just to join the gathers to the body of the dress, and that's all. Just join the gathers to the body of the dress, weave the part that needs to be weaved, and hem the edge of the sleeve, and that's all. Give it a good ironing, and we have this. If you have any question or any issue with creating this, just ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely respond to that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.